You can have glowing skin and still feel uncomfortable in your own body because of your hands, your feet, your armpit, those areas that refuse to match the rest of your skin. That is a real issue. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we're talking about a product that has been going crazy on our website. Ever since I posted a video about this oil on TikTok, we have sold over 4 dozen and the reviews, they choke. Let me break it down to you properly. This right there is the Samchi Repair Oil. Now, this oil is not for everybody. It is for people that actually have problems they want to fix on their skin. If you fall into any of these categories, pay attention. If your skin is aging and you are starting to notice rough texture, uneven tone, or your hands and your legs don't look as smooth as before, if you're bleached your skin or over processed your skin and now you are dealing with patches, discoloration, or your skin is not blending anymore. If your skin is irritated, sensitive, or reacting to product and you don't know what else to do or use again. If you have dark armpits, dark knuckles, dark feet, or uneven, stubborn white patches or dots that won't go away, then this oil is for you. Let me give you a real life scenario. You've dressed up, everything is fine, and then you raise your hand, or your armpit is now darker, your knuckles, or you wear your slippers, your feet looks completely different from your leg, or you look as if your hands belong to someone else or your leg belongs to somebody else. It's not things like that, but they affect your confidence. That's exactly what this oil is targeting. It is specially made for dark areas, dark hand, dark armpit, uneven skin patches. Now let's talk why it works. This is not just oil to shine or glow your skin. This contains alpha-arbutin, which helps to lighten and even out dark areas. It has niacinamide, which improves skin texture, strengthens your skin, and also brightens your skin. It also has green tea extract, which helps to calm irritated skin and supports repair. So if your skin is damaged or stressed, this is not going to make it worse. It is going to help to bring it back to normal. Now, another thing I need to explain. You see this packaging, these 2 bottles. The small one is more concentrated. The bigger one supports it. They are meant to be used together, not separately. That combination is what gives you that faster, visible result that we're getting as reviews. You can use this in the morning and night, especially on those areas you are trying to correct. And please be consistent, because let me be honest with you, if you have damaged your skin over time, you won't fix it overnight. But this helps you to start correcting it properly. If you have already started seeing yourself in what I am saying, or you are thinking, I need that oil, then you can shop directly on our website or send us a message on WhatsApp. The link will be in the description. Also, share this, like, subscribe, and comment. Now, let's take it further. If you want to treat and lighten at the same time, mix this oil with the whitening booster. Pour this one inside this one. That combination works very well because now you are treating stubborn areas while improving your overall skin tone. That's when you start seeing real transformation. Now, a quick one. A lot of you always ask me what I wear in my videos. This is from my brand, Luxe By FB. I'm going to insert a quick video so that you can see the full clothes. We focus on simple, comfortable, ready-to-wear outfit that still looks put together. So if that's your style, you can check us out. We offer both retail and wholesale. Back to the haul. This is for people that are tired of trying products that don't work, tired of hiding certain parts of their body, tired of uneven skin. This is not magic, but it works if you use it properly. If you want the original Samchi Repair Oil, you can shop on our website or send us a message on WhatsApp. All the details will be in the description. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video, guys. Till next time, stay blessed.